Hello everyone! Dito kami ngayon sa park. At ito na nga. Ipa-fly na namin tong plane ni Diana. So, as Diana. You say hi, my love. You say hi.
Hi.
Aww, very nice. So, maganda ang araw. We're going to fly Diana's plane. Ayan, tumama na siya. Kung nakita nyo doon sa previous na video na ginawa ko nung nag-assemble kami nito, ay maling-mali yung pagkagawa ko. Even nga, tinuran ako ni Jack na even Jack noticed that it was wrong. And I still insisted that it was me that is right. So, which is very wrong. Hindi ko naniwala kay Jack. Charot-charot lang. So, let's play. Jack, come on, fly your plane. Jack got the blue one. Diana got the orange. This one is yours, yeah? So, ito na. Play natin. Huh? You wanna go down? You wanna go down?
Oh, car, Papa.
You can't be. Diana wanna go down now. Off this.
I found this old shape. Why?
Oh my god, what you found?
What?
Sand, mud. So, dito natin ilagay yung phone.
Mama, why are you in the playground, Mama?
Diana, where are you going? We'll try to fly this one.
Mama!
I got it first. Diana, where are you going? Oh no. Okay.
A little bobble.
Oi, look. Yeah. Come on, Diana. You off that, it's so warm. Babe, we'll off it. No, no. Got it. I got it. Oh no. You off that one, Diane. You off the top. Hey. You off that one. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. Yeah? Come here, I'll help you. Oh no, 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 tignan mo.
Mama, let me go try it in the playground.
Okay.
You want to come with me?
Yeah?
With my friend?
Yeah?
With two friends?
Yeah. We're going to the playground though.
Okay.
You wanna go playground? Okay. Off that one?
No.
No, no, no. Come here. We're going to fix it. Yeah. You wanna fix it? Okay. But it's too warm.
No.
Ah, it's okay, okay. You wanna go playground? I'm too warm, anak. Come on, let's go. You say bye. We're going playground. That's not helicopter. That's motorbike. Yeah, that sounds motorbike. That's not helicopter. Come and say bye bye. Flying kissy kiss. Ah. You say love you.
Mama.